So today I'm going to show you how to open up a Flodesk account. Now we're actually going to hop over here on desktop so you can follow along step by step. Now we're going to go ahead and get started here on this particular landing page because as you can see, we get $50 off our first year of Flodesk. Now this is a time sensitive offer, but there are always different offers available for you. Now, whether you want to go and check out any type of offer available, or if you want to go ahead and click on the link in our show notes down below or head over to businessnerd.co/Flodesk, you'll see which offer is currently available for you. Now, with that offer, it does give us the opportunity to make more free content just like this for you. So we appreciate when you use our links. Now, there are two ways that you can get started here when it comes to getting onto this page. First off is with a Google account. So if you already have your Gmail, you can go ahead and go through this. It makes the steps just a little bit easier. But we're going to show you the full process here. We're going to go ahead and plug in an email address as well as create a password for us. And then we're going to click on where it says try for free. And I'm going to show you the additional questions that will come in after filling those two out and going to the next page. All right, so the next step right over here, it's going to send out an email to the account that we set up with. And we just need to check our inbox to go ahead and activate the account. So let's hop over to our email here. And then in our email, we'll see the welcome to Flodesk email that should have arrived for you. Double check your spam folder, or you can also request to resend it if you didn't get it the first time. And then as you can see right over here on screen, there is this section here to go ahead and click on to verify your email. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that takes us right over here and you can see it says welcome back, and it's going to have our information automatically plugged in for us to then go ahead and click on sign in. If by any chance you didn't save the password, you definitely want to go ahead and replug that in. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on sign in. And that's going to go ahead and drop us right into our account here. So you can see it only takes a couple of steps to get really started with your Flodesk account, not even needing to put in a credit card, which is beautiful. Now from this page over here though, if you want to go ahead and go all the way to the left-hand side, you're going to see where it says Flodesk. If you tap right over here, this is going to take you to effectively your main page of your Flodesk account. And then on the top right, you're going to see typically an initial here with the circle. If you go ahead and drop down over here, you're going to see all of your different settings and everything that you can go ahead and set up, whether you want to set up your bills, your account, any team members you might have, and any additional domain setups that you might want to go ahead and go through the process to complete. So it's a super simple, easy way to go ahead and create your brand new Flodesk. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to go ahead and get started, we're going to have a link for you in the show notes down below, or you could head over to businessnerd.co/Flodesk to go ahead and check out which promo they have currently so you can save additional money using our partner link. And what's also great is that helps us create more free content just like this for you. Now, speaking of more free content, we always got you covered here when it comes to learning about your small business needs. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.